If you're planning a hiking trip, it's important to have the right gear to ensure your safety and comfort on the trail. Here are some essential items to consider when packing for a hike. Firstly, you'll need comfortable and sturdy hiking boots or shoes. Look for footwear that is designed for hiking, with good ankle support and traction for different types of terrain. Next, you'll need a backpack to carry your gear and supplies. Look for a backpack with comfortable shoulder straps and a padded back for extra support. Staying hydrated is crucial on a hike, so make sure to pack water bottles or a hydration bladder to carry enough water for the duration of your hike. Navigation tools such as a map and compass, or a GPS device, will help you stay on course and avoid getting lost. A first aid kit is essential for treating injuries and illnesses on the trail. Look for a compact kit that includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other essential supplies. A headlamp or flashlight is useful for night hiking or emergencies, and sun protection such as sunglasses, a hat, and sunscreen will protect your skin and eyes from harmful UV rays. Pack lightweight and breathable clothing that can be layered for warmth or cooling, depending on the weather conditions. High-energy snacks and meals will keep you fueled throughout your hike. Finally, trekking poles can help with balance and support on challenging terrain. Remember to research the trail and weather conditions before you go, and pack accordingly. With the right hiking gear, you'll be prepared for a safe and enjoyable hiking experience.